Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. We are back in the lab again making DIY hand cream. So you're only going to need a few things, and this is really cheap, if not almost free, because most of these items you should already have on hand. And the only thing you probably really need to pay for, if you don't have it already, a lot of people already have these because they travel and go on airplanes and they have these already. But you can buy this at the Dollar Tree, and these are 3 travel bottles. They come in a pack, and it's just $1. So for all your DIY, homemade products, you can use this right here for body sprays or room sprays. You can do body lotions and hand creams. So let's get started. Now I like to sanitize my bottles. Not everybody does this, so you can do it if you want, but it would be a good thing to do. These bottles come straight from the factory, so all I'm doing is putting in alcohol. You can put a little water with it, so I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of water, and I'm going to put the top on and shake it up, turn it around, and it's going to get in the top, and I'm going to squeeze it out this way so it gets all the way through. So I went ahead and put that into the sink. So I took the top off, and then take a tissue and stick a knife down in there. It doesn't have to be bone dry, but you don't want water in your products at the same time. So you can stick, like I said, a knife down in there or the end of a fork. This is a little plastic fork I'm going to be using, and just dry it out. And do the top the same way. So to make this easy DIY hand cream, you're basically going to use the same ingredients as you did with the body lotion little concoction that I do, and I'll link that video at the end of this one. But you're just going to use less ingredients, and this is just something quick and easy. You can use anything that you have on hand for the scent. Now, of course, this is not one of those natural products or anything, because these are all commercial products. So you can use what you like, but this is just an easy hand cream. And then the body cream that I use is going to be linked at the end also. It's just something I love, and you can use something you have on hand, something you're about to stop using. I know a lot of people get down to the bottom of their Bath and Body Works and they have about this much left, and they're inching to start using a new product. So all the time you'll see this little bit left. You can use that for your hand cream. So I have a lot of this left, but this is not my choice of scent today. I'm just letting you know you can use Bath and Body products, but I'm going to use what I am using now, this Victoria's Secret Neon Palms. I love this, and I'm using this actually in my body cream, and it's a fresh scent, so I just wanted to use it for my hands as well. What you're going to do, and I'm using Jergens Original Scent. You can use a different lotion if you want to, and this is going to be your body lotion or your main lotion that doesn't have a whole lot of scent, even though it has this almond scent. I love this mixed with my lotions. For some reason, it smells good in basically everything that I mix it with. So I'm using this today because there's no problem that the scents are going to, not smell good together, because I've tried this so many times before. Okay, so we are putting in, I'm just eyeing this. And this is going to be a little bit over 1/4 of a cup of the regular lotion that you're using. And then you're going to use your scented lotion. And this is basically a cream. And I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of that. And to make it thicker, and some people have, I'm doing a hand cream because sometimes your body does not get as ashy as your hands do all the time because you are constantly washing your hands. So we are using a half a teaspoon of petroleum jelly. And all you do is with a plastic fork, clean plastic fork, if you have a little mini whisk that you use for your DIYs, you can certainly do that. But we are just stirring. I'm going to mash it up against the this little mixing bowl here. That way you get it broken up into the rest of the lotion. Smashing it up against the glass, getting those clumps of Vaseline, or rather petroleum jelly out. Of course you can use original Vaseline, but I get store brand petroleum because basically it is all the same thing and it costs much less. And it is as simple as that, you guys. You have your DIY hand cream, purse size. You can put it right in your purse. Okay, and what we're going to do now is get the hand cream into the bottle. I'm using this funnel, and you can get one from Dollar Tree. I got this from Tupperware years ago, so I'm just going to be using that. And it is heavier than the bottle, so I'm going to have to try to jimmy this up here. And I have a little spoon to help me out. So I'm going to hold this with my last two fingers, this will funnel, and hold the little mixing bowl with my top three fingers. So let's see how this is going to work, y'all. Just putting it in there with the spoon. And you want to make sure that you have mixed it up well now, that you've gotten all the little lumps and clumps of Vaseline out, that you've mixed them all in. Get all that good old hand cream out of there. And this is, oh, and I love pulling this out of my purse, you all, because when you're sitting next to someone and you're using it, they're like, can I have some of that? And so I love letting people try it too. So I made it myself. And you just push it down through the funnel. Push, push, push. Have to kind of jiggle it around and get all that out of there. And there you have it. And you just go ahead and put the top on. And you have your DIY hand cream. Don't forget, guys, you can use any combination that you want to. The petroleum jelly is just as good as the Vaseline name brand, so you can use that. Remember to use any original scented lotion that you want, that you like to use for your body. You use that, and then also any of the scented lotions that you would like. This is from Victoria's Secret. You can get any choice from there, or Bath and Body Works, or any scented lotion that you want. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video so other people will know how to make this simple and great smelling non-greasy DIY hand cream. And you guys enjoy.